Hi, Prashant Kalbag here, and this is the beautiful bungalow right here called Dashmesh Colony. It has beautiful green trees all across. Again, you have an electronic lock here. You can see that these are very well appointed rooms, absolutely new vitrified flooring. You can see a lovely office desk, Wi-Fi connection, a beautiful look from the rooms. You can see that every room has refrigerators, very well serviced, air conditioners, modern bathrooms, like to pan over the other room. All these rooms are interconnected through the doors. We are pet friendly too. And these are the other rooms, all standardized, having the same sort of decor and finish. The greenery is tremendous in the bungalow. A big thank you, thank you, thank you.